Welcome! In front of me I have Honor Band 3 and I'm gonna show you how to measure the heart rate on this smart band. Before we start, if you want to get the most accurate results of your measurements, make sure to put your smart band on your wrist, secure it tightly with the straps. I don't have straps, but you should have straps on your band. You need to secure the band tightly so it doesn't move around, and while you're measuring your heart rate, try not to move too much. I'm just gonna put my finger on the sensor right here at the back of the device, but because of that my results might be not too accurate. Now let's continue with the measurement. So first we need to wake up the screen on our smart band, and you can do it by pressing the touch sensitive button at the bottom of the screen, like this. Now press the button a couple of times until you see the BPM option, and once you select BPM, this band should start measuring the heart rate automatically. So I'm gonna place my finger on the sensor, and as you can see, it's measuring the heart rate now. Let's wait a couple of seconds. And after a couple of seconds, the animation will stop, and it means that the measuring process is complete, and you will see your result. And once you're done measuring your heart rate, you can press the touch sensitive button a couple of times to go back to home screen, the watch face. And that's how you measure the heart rate on this smart band. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.